Kovacic, well, he was trying to play it out wide, and Foden actually got in the way of it. Pedro Neto sprints away. He's in a foot race with Ake, and he's got the better of him, and now he's getting towards the byline, and he keeps on going in the penalty area, and there's almost an own goal. It is an own goal off Ruben Dias. Well, Pedro Neto, who got beyond 2 or 3 players, got to the byline, squared it, and Ruben Dias slid it into his own net. And it's Wolves with their first attack of the game. Wolves 1, City 0. Alvarez hits it, and it's gone in! Julian Alvarez thumped it towards the near post. It was over the wall and parried into the roof of the net by the goalkeeper's right arm. It is Wolves 1, City 1, and Julian Alvarez levels the count.
Well, he's taken a couple. He's been the one who's been confident on these set pieces.
Suddenly, Wolves on the counter with Semedo. Semedo's deflected cross is cleared by Akanji. City in a bit of spot of bother here, and they really are at 6s and 7s. And Wolves has made it 2-1. They've scored through Hwang, who should have been sent off. How often does that happen in professional football? A man who ought to have been sent off in the first half pops up and gives Wolves the lead in the second. Can you believe it? The answer is yes. It seems to happen time and time again.
They're going to go as long as possible, needs the drop.
And it doesn't drop because the referee sounds his whistle, and Wolves have beaten City. The final score, Wolves 2, City 1.